You keep talking for Mommy? Give me that. You say Gaga? Gaga. 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 You say, can you say Heather? Heather? Can you say Paige? Can you say Paige? Can you say Paige? Huh? And look at Bellamy and Roman over there for quiet time. Roman is asleep. Bellamy movie's almost over, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have pizza for dinner? We're gonna make some pizza?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like Roman just woke up. Hi, Roman.
Well, Roman using all the cover.
It's okay. Hey, sugar bugger. Hey, sugar bugger. Are you gonna get some teeth soon? Yeah, are you gonna get some teeth soon? Look how she's sitting in the swing. That's how she loves to sit. You say bye bye. Bye bye.